From devastating storms like Sandy that battered Long Island's coastline and destroyed countless homes, to massive wildfires in Canada that filled our skies and lungs with smoke, and the hottest summer on record in the Northern Hemisphere, the UN Secretary General describes the situation this way.
The climate time bomb is ticking.
Many experts believe the weather extremes can all be linked to climate change, brought on by burning fossil fuels and pumping greenhouse gases into the atmosphere.
We're adding CO2 a million times faster than it ever was exchanged in and out of the atmosphere.
A million times?
A million times faster. So, because it took millions of years for those dinosaurs to turn into fossil fuels. And now we're digging them up and burning them. And it takes millions of years for it to get back into the rocks. Well, the time frames are clearly, climate's changing on decades, not millions of years.
Professor Scott Mandia says the two main sources heating the Earth, its proximity to the sun and the release of the planet's core heat, should both be in a cooling phase.
If humans were not on the planet, we would be seeing ice grow every century after century after century for the next 8,000 years.
The UN's Panel on Climate Change reports since the 19th century, the Earth's global temperature has risen by 1.1 degrees Celsius. If it rises more than 1.5 degrees, scientists believe the Earth will face significantly more catastrophic disasters. If it goes to 2 degrees Celsius, it may be unlivable for humans.
There's always been heavy rainfall events and summer heat waves. That's a normal part of life on Long Island. But as the world warms, decade by decade, we're seeing that our summer temperature extremes are getting hotter and more dangerous. Heavy rainfall that causes flooding is getting more frequent. Hurricanes are intensifying faster and they're more powerful.
Ice caps in the Arctic and Antarctic are melting faster than scientists predicted. And that's raising the sea level, which presents a huge problem for us on Long Island, which is surrounded by water. Chang for NewsdayTV.